Hello there.
Hi.
You probably don't remember me, do you?
You're my mommy.
Yes. Yes, that's right. Oh, look how big you've gotten. I brought you some things.
Where did you go? I woke up one day and you were gone. I looked in all the rooms. They told me you weren't gonna come back.
Who told you that? Who said that to you? That's not true.
I thought I did something bad. Something really, really bad.
No.
I thought I made you go away.
No. That's not what happened. Listen to me. Listen. Sometimes people have to go off by themselves so they can get better, right? I'm better now, okay?
I was by myself for a really long time. I don't think I'm better.